angelfish, anchovies. B for beluga whale, barracuda. C for crab, clownfish, cuttlefish. D for dolphin, dugong. E for eel, elephant, seal. F for flounder, flying fish. Silently from A to Z, each sea creature come and see. G for great white shark, garden eel. H for horseshoe crab, hammerhead shark. I for isopod, J for jellyfish. K for krill, L for lobster, lionfish. Silently from A to Z, each sea creature come and see. M for mola, mola, manta ray. N for narwhal, needlefish. O for octopus, orca, oyster, otter. P for pufferfish, porpoise, prawns, parrotfish, pink dolphin. Q for quahoog, R for ray. S for seal, shark, salmon, squid, seahorse, sea lion, starfish. C cucumber, swordfish. T for turtle, trumpet fish. U for urchin, unicorn fish. V for violet, sea snail. W for whale, whale shark. X for x-ray fish. Y for yellowtail fish. Yabby. Z for zebra shark.